Julia Waldorf, JuliaWaldorf.com. Happy Pappy! Happy Pappy! What's your thought of the day, Happy Pappy? You're just hanging out in your spot, Happy Pappy? Wondering when it's gonna rain? Does it rain in aquariums? Oh. You just to get a shower every once in a while, is that what you say? Was that the thought of the day? Take a shower a day? Keeps the bugs away? Well, that's good advice, Happy Pappy. It's a good thought. Thank you very much, Happy Pappy. Have a wonderful. Julia Waldorf, JuliaWaldorf.com. Ciao, ciao.